Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make 3 atmospheric sounds that have been dominating electronic music for years. Pulling off a good atmospheric sound is the key to getting your song to sit in a nice space, and it really adds uniqueness and professionalism to your music. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. This first Atmo is my absolute go-to for very airy and spacey electronic songs, and is perfect for any electronic genre across the board. The piece of music we're going to be working with today sounds like this.
Can't fight these feelings. No, I've tried, but they come back around every time.
Now you could hear this vocal is very atmospheric and spacey, so this Atmo that we're about to make will complement this vocal perfectly. By the way, this vocal is going to be part of my next pack, which is going to be a vocal acapella library pack that will come with 5 professional studio acapellas just like this, and it's going to come out really soon. It's almost done, so keep checking my website. So to build this pattern, we're going to need a new instance of a synth of your choice or a sampler. Doesn't really matter, because all we need is a very basic electronic pluck. The synth that I'm going to be using today sounds like this. Just a very basic electronic pluck. If you don't have any of these, you can grab one in my orbital pack in the description below. And the pattern we're going to make has one note on one, and then a note right before the center point of this bar. So this pattern is only 1 bar long. Now what we're going to do to really bring this pattern to life is we're going to loop it out so that it looks like this.
Feelings. No, I've tried, but they come back around every.
And then we're going to really bring it to life by going to delay, echo, stereo, and then I'm going to put this on 1/4 dotted. It's going to be a 1/4 dotted rhythm. Then I'm going to shove this feedback all the way up to 92%. I got the best sound. We're going to put the wet all the way up and the dry all the way up. If you don't have Logic Pro X, you could use any delay plugin or any built-in echo plugin, because this is a really basic function that we're adding right now. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a reverb plugin of your choice. You can use any reverb plugin you would like. I'm going to use a third-party reverb plugin called Valhalla Shimmer, because it just has the best shimmer. Listen to how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And if we play this back.
Can't fight these feelings. No, I've tried, but they come back around every time. It's like I can't go anywhere without you on my mind.
Now, I don't know about you, but that is delicious. This next Atmo I learned after listening to a lot of Chainsmokers and Illenium, and it's probably the most advanced of all these patterns, but in my opinion, it always sounds good when you can pull it off. So this is a vocal Atmo, so what we're going to do is we're actually just going to chop a couple pieces out of our vocal acapella. So when I'm scanning the vocal acapella, I'm looking for runs like that, like lion. So we can use that vocal piece. So let's go ahead and put it down here. And then this one, I think it's this one. And then we'll take these. So these vocal Atmos are so easy to make. All you have to do is just get the right vocal chops, and it'll kind of work for you. So we put this one here. And then we're going to grab this one and put it here. And just replicate it like that so that it runs in the background. The final step is to add some echo and a nice EQ high cut filter and some reverb, and then we will get this sound. This final Atmo is the easiest to make of the 3. I highly recommend that you practice getting really good at this one, because once you're good at this one, it'll open your doors for making so much other cool atmospheric stuff, and it works in every genre across the board. So what you want to do is you want to load up a basic synth sound. The sound I'm going to be using for this Atmo sounds like this. And And we're going to put together here a nice little ARP pattern.
feelings. Feelings. No, I've tried.
So we'll end up with a repetitive pattern like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take these, put them up there so it's not as repetitive. And then what you could do is play around with the echo and reverb, and then you'll end up with some weird creation like this. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you would like to learn more about melody writing, chord writing, mixing, mastering, or any element of music production, come join me in my EDM Bootcamp. My EDM Bootcamp is not just a 6-week course that teaches you every element of music production, but it's also an entire back-end community where you can ask me any music production question you would like and send me your music for unlimited track feedback. If that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and check out that link at the top of the description below. I look forward to seeing you in there. Stay tuned for next video.